Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix landscape mode not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and facing issue when you have used your landscape mode, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your control center here, and guys you need to turn off your portrait lock. So guys, if you have portrait orientation lock is on, then guys you need to make it off, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys secondly, you need to open your settings here, scroll it below, here is the option of standby. Simply you need to turn it on. So guys, if off, then guys you need to make it on, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys simply you need to open your WhatsApp for checking that your landscape mode is working or not. So guys, now you can see my landscape mode has been working. So guys, if your landscape mode not working, then guys there is update problem, iOS update problem on your iPhone. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings, and guys make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And guys you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys you need to click on software update. And guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. If you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest version. And guys after doing this, simply you need to scroll it below, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your settings only. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your Apple Sport app here. So guys simply you need to open this, and guys you need to wait for its opening. So guys from here you need to open your gadget, scroll it below, click on more, and guys from here you need to find landscape mode. So guys simply you need to find here. So guys if not find, then guys you will see here the option of rotation. Simply you need to click on this one, and guys after this you need to wait. And guys you will see here the option of call. Simply you need to click on this one, and guys you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.